Are you looking for a guide on how to make money with surveys and reviews? If so, this comprehensive guide will tell you everything you need to know about making money from surveying and reviewing. There is no need for any experience or technology when it comes to top survey companies. All you need is an idea that would be useful for your company or organization. You can take a survey or contact a reviewer to get feedback on it. You can earn money by participating in trending topics with your entries on some websites. Others will pay you to review products available on the website. However, how much you earn from taking surveys depends on how many surveys you attempt and complete, as well as how long each survey takes. Online surveys typically earn you around 40 to 200 SB or points per survey. 100 SB equals $1. But there are occasional opportunities that can be worth thousands of dollars. If you want to start making money with surveying and reviewing, there are two things you need to do before getting started. Learn how survey sites work and how to complete surveys. Once you have a good understanding of these things, you can start looking for the best companies to work with. Right now, you'll find thousands of businesses working on it. 1. Branded Surveys. With a Trustpilot rating of 4 out of 5 stars, Branded Surveys is a popular online survey company. Branded Research is the parent company of Branded Research, which was founded in 2012. Surveys are provided so that companies can learn more about their market share or demographics. As soon as you register, you'll receive a $1 bonus. You may begin taking surveys immediately after setting up your account. With your first survey, you can earn up to $5. And every 1,000 points equal to $10 will allow you to cash out in US dollars or Canadian dollars. By sharing your opinions on products and services, you can earn extra money with Branded Surveys. This company is legitimate, so you can stay assured that you're getting paid for your efforts since it has a good reputation in the industry. The Branded Surveys company is a great opportunity to make some extra money if you are looking for a way to do so. 2. Swagbucks. For every survey completed on Swagbucks, you will earn money and gift cards that you can use on your future purchases. In addition to being able to shop online, search the web, and watch videos, it also allows users to make money. The first 25 purchases at one of our featured retailers will earn you at $10 sign-up bonus. With Swagbucks, you can redeem PayPal cash or gift cards that can be used at places like Amazon, Lowe's, and Target in return for Swagbucks. There are a number of ways to earn money through Swagbucks, and paying for online surveys is just one of them. Members of the company are awarded Bs for shopping online, searching the web, and watching videos. Once you reach 160 points, you can redeem your earnings. Next one is Inbox Dollars. As of 2019, Inbox Dollars has been acquired by Prodige LLC after being in the market since 2006. This company is rated up by the Better Business Bureau. As stated on the company's website, more than $80 million have been paid to members. With Inbox Dollars, earnings are accrued as cash rather than points, making it easier to plan how much you learn before starting work. You can earn more by taking more surveys, but most paid opportunities offer a small amount of money. Inbox Dollars is free to join, and once your account is activated, you'll receive a $5 bonus. Once you fill out the form, you'll be asked about your income, race, education, and other stuff. Inbox Dollars can match you with relevant paid surveys based on this screening. 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐬. Users around the world can earn money by taking surveys through 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐬, an online survey site based in Paris. With over 880,000 reviews on Google Play and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, it has a 4.0 star rating. The 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐬 website allows you to create an account using either your email address or your Facebook account. Afterwards, the company will ask you some demographic questions, which will allow it to connect you with relevant opportunities. A survey may ask about diapers if you're a new mother, for example. You earn points after completing a survey. It's common to earn 45 to 90 points, or 45 cents to 90 cents per survey. Also, you can earn points by being disqualified from taking a survey. You can get PayPal cash, gift cards, and charitable donations once you reach 500 points. 𝐿ifePoints. With more than 5 million members around the world, 𝐿ifePoints has been around since 1946 and was originally known as National Family Opinion. Based on 130,000 verified reviews, Trustpilot rates the company 3.9 out of 5. By taking online surveys, you can earn 𝐿ifePoints for free. Upon verification of your email address and the submission of basic information such as your name, date of birth, and address, you will be credited with 10 life points. In order to choose surveys that are relevant to your demographic, you will need to complete a complete profile. Among the topics covered by life points surveys are topics such as technology, automobiles, household brands, and more. Most opportunities pay between 50 cents and $1, although some pay as much as 600 points or $5 each. In our Life Points review, we discuss more about the paid opportunities available. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy this video and get basic knowledge about this topic. If you like my content, please let me know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.